In this kit there are two resistors, and in the circuit diagram there are again two resistors. So these two resistors make a potential divider wires, and after that this is your output resistor RC, and this is the emitter bypass resistor. This whole circuit is same as shown in the kit. In the theory we have also studied that RC coupled amplifier is beneficial as compared to the other coupling techniques. The reason behind it is that first, it has a cheap cost as compared to the others too, and secondly the components are not the bulky ones. What is the benefit of using coupling? It is very difficult to transfer the output of one stage to the other without coupling, because the DC biasing conditions might change, and because of which we are not able to get a faithful amplification. That's why coupling device is used. The second reason to choose the capacitor is to block the DC. So that's why we use this capacitor in the kit. Now we will discuss how we are able to make the different observations. The observation table require first the output voltage of stage 1 without coupling, so that we are able to measure the output without any coupling device. To take the measurements, first of all we take a signal generator. We can also say it as a function generator. This generator is used to produce a particular frequency. The input of this generator through connecting wires is given at the input of the two-stage RC coupled amplifier. One of the end of the wire is connected at the input and another wire is grounded. This whole base of the kit is grounded. After that, this internal circuitry will work, and we will measure the output from the first stage of the CRO. Okay, you can see the output. This is your input signal, this one is your input signal, and this is your output signal. You can see this output signal is in amplified form as compared to the input signal. And now we took output only from the first stage. If we want to further amplify the signal, then we will take the output from the second stage. Second stage तो है.